Today we're turning Luna from Sailor Moon into a dark chocolate tart. So I have some Oreos and I'm going to pop them into a food processor and pulse them until they become a fine crumb. You can do this with any cookie, but because we want it to be chocolate, I'm going to use Oreos. And then to that directly, I'm going to add some melted butter. And then just pulse it again to mix everything together. And then I'm going to divide that between 3 little tart shells and just push it in onto the base and up until the edges. And that is how you create the shells. Now these are going to go into the fridge and we're going to make the filling. So this is a ganache filling. So I have some chopped up dark chocolate and then I'm going to pour some heavy cream that is hot. So I've heated up in the microwave. And then just mix that together and the heat of the cream is going to melt the chocolate. And then I'm going to dollop that into the tart shells and smooth the surface. And now it's time for the features. So I'm going to get some extra dark chocolate and create Luna's ears just on a sheet of parchment paper. I'm going to pop that into the fridge, and then once the chocolate has set, I'm going to get some ruby chocolate. And this chocolate has a berry flavor to it. It's so cool. Now for her face, I'm going to use a toothpick first to just sketch it out on each tart so that I know how big to make each feature. So for her eyes, we're starting with some white chocolate. Then some more ruby chocolate for her nose and mouth. And then taking some more of that dark chocolate for her pupil and kind of extending it upwards to create that cat eye look. And for the moon shape on her forehead, I'm just going to use some candy melts because that is literally the easiest way to do it. Then we're going to stick her ears on, and to unmold these, because you want to unmold them before you eat them, this is the easiest way to do it. And how cute are these? Paddington didn't snack on anything in this video, honestly, because I didn't know what to do, but he will be back next week, I promise.